This is Roger. Nice to see you all. Welcome to our live show today. And I'm going to show you about our medical brush and surgical brush today. Besides, I will answer your questions and inquiries. And before starting our show, I would like to share the flow of our live show today. First, I will have our company introduction. Second, I will show you about our wholesale products. And third, I will show you about our certificate and some of our package. And finally, I will answer your questions and also price inquiry. Now let's have a company introduction first. And I have been in Aoqun company for over 5 years, and our company was founded in 2009. We are a manufacturer specializing in customized mass production brush, and we have 12 years experience to produce brush. And our products are mainly sold to the overseas, over 50 countries and 20 industries. All of our brushes can be customized according to your requirements. Besides, we offer brushes to many world-famous brand customers in different industries, like the medical industry, cleaning brush, and so on. And so, do you want to know about the annual production capacity of our company? Our factory has 20 production lines. Our production capacity are more than 21 million meters per year, and an output value of more than $9 million per year. Moreover, we own an R&D team for over 70 years in our industry. We offer one-on-one program handling service, design, and customized service. Our product managers will offer customized solutions within 8 hours, and samples will be delivered within 2 days. After the introduction, if you are interested in our company, please kindly follow us and keep an eye for wholesale products of medical brush and the surgical brush to you. We all know about the cleaning brush, but do you know how many different brush types of medical brushes? Today, I will show you our wholesale one. First is the toothbrush. The toothbrush medical cleaning brush. As you can see, there are different brushes with different handles, different color, as you can see, green color, and the white color, and the brown color. With different bristles, and as you can see, the nylon anti-battery bristle with FDA approved, and the copper bristles, and the stainless steel bristles. And you can also see that you can put one brush at one end, and you can also put 2 brushes at the both 2 ends. Can you see this? Okay, so it means you can design the whole toothbrush according to your requirement, according to your applications. Then I will also show you about the advantage of our toothbrushes used in the medical and the surgical cleaning. First advantage is about our hole tension. Our single hole tension is over 2.5 kilogram per hole. It will no hair loss, and easy to clean, very stubborn stains. Second, we use high trans we use high density hair planting technology with 13% more hair planting. The anti-battery hair effect is 1.5 times more than the standards of the ISO 22196, and it inhibits the growth of bacteria. Third, there are nylon and PVT and brass, copper, and stainless steel cleaning brush to choose to meet the cleaning needs of general surgical instruments. And four, the handles conform to the human mechanism, and various shapes of the handles can be customized with joints and logo clean here. It means the handle is customized, and we can customize the handle with your drawings or your actual products. Fifth, the material, the bristle material, you can see the nylon, the brass, and the stainless steel conforms the national and the industry standards. The whole products combine with more than 30 European industry standards such as ROHS and SWISH, and we can offer FDA and antibacterial brushes. Our annual production capacity of this brush is over 200 million pieces per year and sell to over 15 countries and regions. We also have a long-term cooperation with many well-known medical companies with full catalogs and all kinds of brushes. And after introduction of the two brushes, and I will show you our second hot cell purpose. And you can see it's the twisty wild brush. These brushes, okay, I will show you. And this brush is basically made of four parts. One part is the bristle here, and the second part is the stainless steel wire here. And third is the head process of the brush. And the fourth part is the handle process of our brush. First, the bristle here. Let's talk about the bristle here. The bristle should be usually nylon, and the bacteria bristle with FDA approved. Color is white or transparent. This is transparent, and this color is white. You can decide the diameter of the bristle, and let's show you some different diameter. And this is a tiny bristle, very tiny. It's a 1 millimeter diameter. And this is normal one. It's an 8.6 diameter. And we also have the bigger one. The bigger one is 22.5 millimeter. Actually, you can design any diameters you want. And second, you can also design the diameter of this steel wire. It's usually used stainless steel wire in surgical brushes. Usually we use 0.7 or 0.8 diameter for the stainless steel brush. And third, it's the head process. You can see the head process here. Head process will be the clipping head. This you can see the details here. This means the clipping head. It means it just cut the steel wire and polish the sharp edge of this steel wire, and to make it safe and not cause any damage when it's being used. There are many other purposes of the brush, and I will show you. And for example, and this is another process. It's called plastic tip. Plastic tip here, and you can see the black tip here. Black tip here. And another head process is the cotton head. And you can see this head is made of cotton. It's very soft and ensure it's beautiful and not damage any of your instruments. Okay. Okay, so the four parts of the steel wire brush is about the handle process. As you can see, this handle is a ring, it's a circle, it's a steel ring. We usually use the ring process in a medical brush. We can also use some beads, okay, as you can see. We can also use some beads in the ring. We can use some beads in the ring with different color to distinguish. The brush is used for different application. This is usually used in the medical brush. And if these rings possess of handles, we also have other handle process like wooden handles and the bamboo handles. And you can see the wooden handle and the bamboo handle. Okay. So I will also here to tell you about the advantage of the twisted wire brushes. First, as you can see, the first advantage of the twisted wire brush is the excellent polish performance of the sharp edge. It's smooth, and no scratch can better protect the instruments. And second, it's a 316-degree spiral cleaning. As you can see, you can clean every edge of your instrument. The anti-battery effect is 1.5 times more than the standard of ISO 22196. And it inhibits the growth of bacteria. And also the fur is the material conforms to the national and industry standards. The products comply with over 30 European industry standards and 9 rows and switch, and we can also offer the FDA approved brushes to you. And our annual production capacity of this brush is over 200 million pieces and sell to over 15 countries and regions. And we also have a long-term cooperation with many world-famous brand customers with full catalogs and all kinds of brushes. Okay, first, I will introduce our third wholesale products. It's called endoscope brush. As you can see, this is our endoscope brush. It's used in the surgical. It's mainly used in the surgical cooperation. The brush is flexible it's flexible, like you can see. It's flexible and with plastic cover. You can see the brush. The brush is here and the plastic cover here. The plastic cover. And with two ends, with two brush at both ends, and it's for different function. As you can see, it's a very long. It's flexible. It's flexible. And the overall length of this endoscope brush is customized. You can make any length you want. I hope you can understand. And we also pack in this way, and we also sell with a PE bag to seal inside. And let's see more details of the head of this endoscope brush. As you can see, the bristle is transparent and the head process is plastic tip, and you can see. Also, the brush length can be also customized, the same as the overall length. Okay. So let's continue. We also pack in the circle shape, and pack also in the transparent PE bag to seal inside. And then we pack in the cartoon. We also have different color of endoscope brush. As you can see, different color means different application, and it means you can customize the length, the color, and the brush. Okay, now I will show you more about the advantage of this endoscope brush. The first advantage is excellent polish performance of this sharp edge and smooth and no scratch, and can better perform the instructions. And the second is also the same, the 360 degrees vinyl cleaning. It's very close to the tube. It's very close to the pine wall. The cleaning effect is as clear as a mirror. And third, the material conforms to a national and industry standards and complies over 30 European industry standards such as Rose, Switch, and we can offer the FDA and the anti-battery brushes to you if you want. And the annual production capacity of this endoscope brush is over 200 million pieces, and we also sell to over 15 countries and regions. We also have a long-term cooperation with many well-known medical companies in North America or South America, and we also sell this to EU regions too. And the last advantage of this endoscope brush is we can provide the flexible customization and adapt to the various endoscopes and channels. Okay, So far, I have introduced three major medical brushes to our friends. These three major medical brush is widely used in our medical industry and the surgical industry. And let's review about the three kinds of brushes. First is the toothbrushes, and you can see here. And the second one is the twisted wire brushes. And the twisted wires brushes. And also the third one is the endoscope brushes. And sorry that I forget to introduce this. This is another kind of endoscope brush with two brush in the both ends and a black plastic in the middle. And this is the special one because it's two different diameter of the two end of the brush. And you can see this end with bigger diameter and this end with smaller diameters. It means one brush can use for two different applications. That is the most selling point and the attractive point in the medical brush. Okay, so far I have introduced three kinds of surgical brushes to all of our friends. And now I will show you about our quality to our friends. Our factory is ISO 9001 2015 certificate approved, and our medical brush is approved by ISO 13485 and 2016 too. In me, and I will show you. And this is the ISO 9001 and 2016, 2015 certificate. It means our brush quality is guaranteed by the ISO standard quality systems, and we are qualified to manufacture the cleaning brush for non-active medical device. And you can see and you can see this is our ISO 13486 and 485 2016 certificate. It means our factory is qualified to manufacture the cleaning brush for the non-active medical device. You don't need to worry about our quality of our brush at all. Besides, we export over 1 million pieces of brushes to North America and South America. There are never a complaint from our customers. And regarding the package of our medical or surgical brush, I will show you some samples first. First, we can pack the brushes according to your quantity, according to the customer's requirement about the quantity. And we use rubber bands or twisted tire to tie them together as the customer's requirement. And then we usually use the PE bag, and then to seal the brushes. Okay, pen like this, and we can seal the end, seal the both ends to ensure it's safe and it won't get damaged under the transportation. Besides, you can also put your label on the back if you want to distinguish the brush that is yours and to clarify the specification of the brush. Okay, so let's talk about. So let's check if there's any questions on our show today, and let's check it, and I will answer it. Wow, so many questions here. Okay, there's one question from I think it's Miss Omega. She asked, I like the toothbrush so much, and can it be blue color or with white visual? Yes, it's absolutely. It can be the blue color with white visual. As I said before, the color and the visual can also be customized. As I said before, the visual and the color can be customized by you. You just tell me your requirement and we can make it for you. This is the white visual and this is the green handle. And you can make it blue if you want. Okay, then come to the next question. And also another question from John. And John asked us what's the price of the toothbrush? And as I can tell you, because each toothbrush is customized by the customers. Prices also depends on the material, the visual material, and the handle, and also the color of the handle, and most importantly, price depends on the quantity. So the price is based on the above mentioned factors. So I can quote you only you tell me about the factors you want and the specification you want, so I can call you. Please kindly leave email address or leave your size here if you want a call from me. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we come to the next question. Okay, another audience asked named Jessica. Jessica asked me how much is the twisty wire brush. Okay, I will answer almost the same answer about the last question about the toothbrush. Its price is also depends on quantity and also the size and also the material you want. So I will call you based on your information. Okay, please kindly leave your message here and leave your email address here. So I will call you. Okay, so another question from Omega said she wants to know more about the medical brush. She wants to know all kinds of brush. Okay, it's my pleasure to introduce our brush to you. Then I will send you our catalog and share with you with more details on the email. Okay, I will show you, and I will talk about the medical brush with you. Please kindly leave your email address here, and I will contact you and send the e-catalog to you. Okay. Another question. Okay, I see. There's many questions here. Uh, this is a question from Mike, and he wants to know the name of the underscore brush. As I said just now, and this underscore brush is very flexible, and the overall length is customized. It means any length you want is okay. 1 meters, 1.5 meters, or 2 meters, or longer length is okay. You just need to tell me, and we can make it for you. Any length is okay. So yeah, so I will. Today, our live show is almost come to an end due to the time constraints. And now I have answered some questions from our audience. And please feel free to ask me if you have any questions or price inquiry. Please leave your inquiry or your questions here or your email contact here. I will contact you soon. Okay, thank you all guys, and today's live show is over. And thank you. Bye bye.